Hi, Patrick. Super happy to have you at Favro favorite workflows.
Thanks for having me.
All right, cool. The first one is around live dashboards. That is a very new capability of Favro in Favro, where our idea was that we wanted to democratize working with actionable metrics, so making it easier for any team or leader to put good metrics on basic the stuff that concerns them and their team. So I hand it over there to you, Patrick. Take it away.
Yeah, so what we use is we have an overview collection in Favro that shows various things. So we have, our sprint status, but the one that most directors use is this one called the 2024 roadmap workflow. We use a now, next, later for road mapping, so we're not doing kind of the old school um, Gantt chart type roadmaps. We have stuff that we want to do now. We have stuff that we want to do next, and then we have stuff that are later. And we tag our releases as well. These tags R1, R2, R3. And in this view here, we simply have basically all the epics that the directors care about on this release. So you can see this here. We could drill down on things with the progress here. And how these get onto this board is somebody will tag an epic with a release tag, and then it'll show up in this dashboard.
Oh, so you're using an automation for that?
Yes.
Oh,
So we're
fantastic.
using automation for that. And then we could also look at the burn down. So we could just have a straight list because the directors aren't interested in every single epic. So we have another view for it's just a straight list of all the different epics that we're working on. There's a lot of assets in here. And we also have a burn down, but it's not really burning down, as you can see. So we're primarily still scope driven. We don't have a set release date. At some point, I will get together with directors and we'll do a pass on this list and just take stuff off that we think we could push to the next release. And then that's how we kind of look at things on a weekly basis.